verifying the denuclearization of 5 MW reactor at Yongbyon. In the past 30 years, DPRK's nuclear ability has expanded and matured. Now, this country owns 2 ways to acquire weapon-use fissile materials, plutonium way and uranium way, and many facilities of them are clandestine. Concerning to the great difficulties and uncertainties in the future denuclearization, Yongbyon 5 MW reactor could be a good target for a first step, because the location and role of this facility have been confirmed again and again in the past denuclearizations. For a long time, this site has been the main source of DPRK's weapon-use fissile material. It could provide 6 kilograms of weapon-grade plutonium every year under ideal operation.
For challenges in verification, North Korea's willingness to cooperate always remained doubtful. Even if an agreement satisfied the United States was reached, we still have reason to expect North Korea making troubles and obstructing the verification. Second, the country is being used to operate secretly in every aspect, and North Korea may continue making troubles during the verification process. Third, technically, there are many proliferation risks in North Korea's nuclear material cycles. Therefore, the verification on the whole system would cost more on resources. For benefits of verification, first, the number of plutonium and advancement of North Korea's technology can be confirmed. This can be figured out from the operations history, design, and operating features. Second, the verification can give benefits for multilateral parties. North Korea can win reconciliation with United States and make diplomatic relations with other countries, and United States can set North Korea on track. Lastly, the verification process can ensure that dismantlement has taken place completely and irreversible. How can we best utilize this opportunity? First, this is the opportunity to convince North Korea to rejoin the Non-Proliferation Treaty and sign the additional protocol. If North Korea joins the NPT and signs the additional protocol, IAEA will have the authority to verify nuclear facility in North Korea anytime and anywhere. Second, this could be a gateway for negotiations on safeguards between North Korea and IAEA by face-to-face. Face-to-face negotiations is more effective ways to build trust. Next, this is an opportunity to build trust with North Korea so that more verification on other nuclear facilities in North Korea can be done in the future. Therefore, IAEA needs to be transparent when doing the verification. Lastly, more practical ways to verify North Korea's nuclear facility can be planned. Experience can give more idealistic solution in solving the verification of North Korea's situation.
The suggestions or policy recommendations that we put forth are as follows. There needs to be a verification agreement, a multilateral one, including North Korea, the US, and the IAEA. An agreement that allows IAEA inspectors to stay on site as long as the dismantlement continues. Also to be very specific in the agreement with less withdrawal chances. The agreement should demand timely documents and reports which give details on the design, operation history, and equipment report. They should also maintain multiple verification plans so as to corner North Korea that under all possible diverse and different political stances, there is always a solution. Some of the sanctions that we recommend being lifted are: imports from North Korea can be permitted into the US with proper check, partial lift of export ban to North Korea. Trade and transactions with North Korea can be partially lifted by keeping a check on the goods. The US should allow North Korea to participate in credit and investment guarantees. These measures need to be taken to ensure economic growth in North Korea. In conclusion, the approach used for the verification must be practical and reasonable, with clear goals and direction. Because the stakes are so high, the issue must be resolved in a transparent, timely, and straightforward manner. The advantages to dismantle Yongbyon nuclear facility should not be overlooked, but they should also not be underlooked. IAEA must maintain as much bargain leverage as possible. And with this, we thank you for listening.